Hello everyone. Yes students, in our previous lecture we have discussed kind of sentences. So there are four types of sentences. Yes, their name are assertive. First one is assertive, second one is imperative, third one is interrogative and exclamatory. But in our previous lecture we have discussed about the assertive and imperative sentences, but today we will discuss only interrogative and exclamatory sentence. So let's start this video. So student, what is interrogative sentence? What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means an interrogative sentence asks question about someone or something. It ends with a question mark also. So now see the blackboard and an interrogative sentence about something and someone. Okay, an interrogative sentence asks questions about something and someone. Okay, it ends with a question mark. A question mark. Okay, it ends with a question mark, like the sign of question mark. Okay, so an interrogative sentence asks a question about something and someone, and it ends with a question mark. So student, interrogative sentences also are two types of yes or no sentences and WH word, WH questions. Okay, yes or no and WH questions. So what, like yes or no means if you want to know only yes or no about something or someone, like are you going to market, it means we want to know only yes or no कि yes तुम जा रहे हो या नहीं जा रहे हो. It means like this type of question is yes or no question, like are you going to market. Okay, so this kind of yes or no question. And WH example. Okay, WH questions means when you start any question with WH word, like where are you going, where are you going, where are you going, it means this question. Okay, this question start with WH word, so it is called WH word. Okay, WH questions. Like one more example, do you get up early in the morning? Do you get up early in the morning? इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी वांट टू नो ओनली यस और नो, कि तुम जल्दी उठते हो मॉर्निंग में, देन यू कैन से यस और नो. सो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ यस और नो, इज ही प्लेइंग, क्या वह खेल रहा है. ओके, इज ही प्लेइंग, क्या वह खेल रहा है. So that's how we can make yes or no question. But most important thing about yes or no question, this student, let's this question, yes or no question. Okay, yes or no questions, note, you have to note that yes or no questions are made by changing the position of helping verb in assertive sentences. Okay student, yes or no questions are made by changing the position of helping verb in assertive sentences, and verbs are written before the subject. Okay, yes or no questions are made by changing the position of helping verb. इसमें helping verb की position change करके बनाया जाता है verb in assertive sentence, और ये assertive sentences का ही बनाया जाता है, and verbs are written before the subject, और जो verbs होती है उसको subject से पहले लिखा जाता है. For example, okay, for example students, like he is going to school. Okay, he is going to school, this is a assertive sentence. So but if you want to make yes or no question of this sentence, then how will you make? Okay, you have to change its helping verb, you have to change, okay, you have to write its helping verb before the subject, like is he going to स्कूल, क्या वो स्कूल जा रहा है. ओके, इज ही गोइंग टू स्कूल, क्या वो स्कूल जा रहा है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, लाइक आई कैन डांस. ओके, दिस इज assertive sentence. बट इफ यू वांट टू मेक yes or no question from this question, then from this sentence, then you have to write can before the subject, like can I dance. Okay, can I dance, it means you are asking yes or no. Okay, so this is the yes or no type of question. I hope you have understood. So student, that's how you can change, you can make yes or no question by changing the position of helping verb. Okay, and helping verb should be returned before the subject to make yes or no question. second one is WH word. So when we start any question with WH word, like if you want to know more about something or someone, then you have to ask question with WH word, like where are you going? Where are you going? It means you want to know about someone, okay, कि where are you going? Then this question is being started with WH word. So it is WH word question. Like what is your name? Okay. Example. Okay. How old are you? How old are you? In which class? In which class do you read? Okay, in which class do you read? So listen student, these all words start with WH letter. So these are called WH word question. Okay. So now let's discuss about exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Okay. Now exclamatory sentences express strong, sudden, feeling of joy, pain, and wonder. Okay students, exclamatory sentences express strong sudden feeling of joy, pain and wonder. Usually these exclamatory sentences start with how and what. Like it starts usually with how and what. It starts usually with how and what. Okay. Like for example, how cute you are. Okay, how cute you are. And one more thing about exclamatory sentences, that it ends with a exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means this type of exclamation mark. ये हमेशा exclamation mark से ही end होते हैं. Like how cute you are. Like what are okay. It starts usually with how and what, and like for example, how cute you are, what a beautiful scene, okay, hooray, we have won the match, okay. So these type of examples are of exclamatory sentences. When you express sudden feeling of joy, pain and wonder, when you express sudden feeling of joy, pain and wonder, so these express your your emotions. So these type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. So student, those exercises are given in your book. So first you have to complete that exercise, okay, and you have to write 5. You have to write 5 example of each type of sentence. Like assertive, you have to write 5 example, like imperative, interrogative and exclamatory in your fair notebook. Thank you students.